Hey team, Brad here from Everfit Physio and Coaching. Now the purpose of this video is to go over the two functional circuits that I've created especially for trail runners. But you know what? These circuits will benefit any athlete. First circuit is really going to work on your full body strength, and the second circuit is a little bit more ballistic in nature, but both of the circuits are going to work on full body balance, which is so important if you really want to dominate trail running and try to minimize injury risk. Now if you'd like a little bit more information like reps and sets and frequency per week and how you actually place it into your training, then check out the link below, which will give you access to the full article. First exercise is the burpee without the jump. So when you take the legs out, just make sure that the body is nice and straight, the hips don't dip down too much. For the runner's push-up, just make sure those elbows are tucked into the body. Again, body's nice and straight, glutes and core on. And up and down, nice and controlled. This is a great compound leg exercise that works multiple muscles in the lower body, hip flexors, hamstrings, quads and glutes. With proper form, you can get a really nice stretch on the hip flexor on the opposite side as well. With the walking lunge, just try and keep slightly leaning forward from the pelvis and pick that heel up to engage that hamstring on the way through. That'll really help with run form and work on that balance at the same time. The pistol squat is a cross section of mobility and strength in a squat. It's pretty tough. Try and go as low as you can with control, come back up, try to maintain that balance. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. The single leg deadlift is a hip hinge movement that really strengthens the glutes, core and lower back. So work on getting that hinge while you're balancing. It's also called a warrior 3 in yoga. It's a fantastic movement pattern to master. You can also add weight. Now in the second circuit we're going to get a little bit more ballistic. So we'll start with the burpee, but this time we're going to add a jump and also raising those arms just for a little bit of extra progression. Now these dynamic split jumps improve your power, your stability, that plyometric force and unilateral strength. So it's a fantastic exercise to put in this ballistic circuit. The box jump is a plyometric move that really strengthens that lower body muscle. You're talking about glutes, quads, calves and hamstrings. They're going to make you faster, more powerful and more springier than ever. Really important if you're running trails. Bear crawls are a full body workout. Move alternate arm with the leg. Try and keep as low as possible to make it harder. Put this in the circuit and this is going to give you real full body functional strength. The crab crawl is the opposite to the bear crawl, really working that posterior chain. Make it a little bit harder by trying to raise the pelvis a little bit higher. The lateral ski jump is going to really help with that ankle and hip knee control. This will prevent you going over on the ankle when you're running on the trail. And the last exercise in this ballistic circuit is the walking lunge, but we're adding some modifications. So raising one arm with a little bit of a twist. You can also raise both hands above your head just to make that balance a little bit tougher with the walking lunge. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps me out. So go and apply this knowledge, run strong, be kind, champion compassion, and I'll catch you on the next video.